The birthday list begins with Oliver Cavanis. Speaking of hats, you know me and my hats. I love that hat right there. Big Oliver, number 2. That's a really cool picture too. He is in Neosho, and Oliver, I want you to know this comes with love from Aunt Angie.
Oliver looks like he's on the move. I like it. All right, and up next we have Colby Kitchler, turning 5 years old this year. Little ballerina dancer there. Colby is in Walnut, Kansas.
I have known this one for a long time, and I now have to refer to her as a young woman. Annabelle Margie celebrating her 18th birthday. Annabelle, congratulations. It's been such a pleasure to watch you grow up in a marvelous family that you have. And I want you to know, Annabelle, that this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Chris, and Anthony. And Annabelle, even though it's your day, your birthday, you tell your mom and your dad, Hayslip said, what's up?
And then we have Joe Stringer turning double nickels today, 55 for Joe in Parsons. Happy birthday from your wife, Laura, and the family.
See what Joe did there? Yeah.
Yep, he ain't gonna forget.
That's
It's his
how you
own
don't
birthday.
forget right there. Joe and Laura celebrating a decade tomorrow. So we got Joe's birthday, and then Sally, he's like, that's my reminder, anniversaries tomorrow. Congratulations to Joe and Laura, a day early. Dorothy Heiser, she is celebrating her 75th birthday. Miss Heiser, she is the wife of our 4-state hero, John Heiser. And so Dorothy, a happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
All right, and we've got Beverly Murdoch in Columbus. Happy birthday. And as I understand, the bus is where the party is because Lindsay Morris is also celebrating a birthday in Columbus.
Right there in the middle of your screen. Happy birthday, Lindsay. Why don't we keep it in the bus and give Lorna Stover her own... Oh, well, Miss Stover. Miss Stover, how are you doing? Lorna, a very happy birthday to you. She is in Columbus. That is where the party is at. It's in the bus. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all.